Hello, hello, good afternoon, good evening. How you guys doing? Hello, hello, hello. So tonight we're going to start with a sweet potato. We're going to do it Southern style in the microwave. Hold on, here I come. And so this sweet potato will be quick, simple, and easy. You just poke a few holes in it so that this thing, if you don't poke holes, it could explode in your microwave. You have a big mess. So you want to make sure you poke holes in it all around. What I like to do is get a wet paper towel over the top and into the microwave. 5 minutes. This is a 1200 watt microwave. So the ingredients, we're going to turn it into a Southern style with nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, and butter. So again, this is a quick and easy way to make sweet potato Southern style. The Southern style is because of the butter. This is the Land O'Lakes butter. Of course, brown sugar. And once you mix all these into the sweet potato, let the butter start to break down and melt into the potato. It's going to give it a candy flavor, really sweet, delicious, buttery flavor. Thank you for stopping by my channel tonight. This is just a quick sweet potato, you guys. You can also see this video on my YouTube channel at Comedian Antonio on YouTube. Hi, Miss LaWanda Smith. How you doing? Thank you. Called me Humble King. Appreciate you. Dominique Carter said, "Come through." I came through for you, boy. Antonio, come through. That's what Mike Tyson used to say to me. Mike Tyson used to say the same thing. That's my boy, Antonio, gonna come through. So we got about 1 minute and 45 seconds. Miss Lotus, we're making a sweet potato, Southern style, in the microwave for 5 minutes. What we can do now is check on it. You know, you always want to check on it. Don't want to just assume. Ooh, that thing hot. So give it a flip. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hot, hot. hope you guys enjoyed the show last night. Hope you enjoyed the show last night. Really took a lot out of me. A lot of courage, bravery, and this, when you're an artist, actor, comedian, it really, you have to pull from your spirit to get into those moments. Tiffany says, at least you have on clothes. Yes, I have on clothes. Vandora, bring me some. Well, let's see how it's going to turn out first before we start taking orders. My YouTube channel is under construction. My YouTube channel is still under construction. It will blow up. I will be working on it soon. Miss Courtney Elizabeth Hall. So I made some mashed sweet potatoes and it was so good. So let me see how you make it. Yeah, we're going to do it here in the microwave. 5 minutes. Should be done. So there we have it. And she's done. She's done. We have the famous steak knife. I need to give this knife a name. So she's done. You can tell how soft. What I want to do is go ahead and put my butter. So just smash it down a little bit, open him up. Open him up. Okay. So in order to start the process of the southern style, you're going to put your butter. So you put your butter, your cinnamon, nutmeg. Remember, this is a 5-minute sweet potato. 5 minutes. Your nutmeg. Your brown sugar. So far it looks like this. So once you get your brown sugar on there, you want to break this down into the potato. So just kind of give it a mix, so that butter and that sugar and everything can begin the candy process. And then what I like to do is hit it with more butter. So this is the result so far of the This will go back into the microwave for 1 minute. We can start the cleanup process. So we just have the cinnamon, the leftover trash. Sierra. Miss Martin said you're not cutting up tonight. Phyllis, what is that? That's a baked potato, sweet potato, southern style, 5 minutes in the microwave. Kimberly, hey Tony, new viewer. I think you're funny and interesting. Thank you, Miss Kimberly. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. It's not easy. I won't be getting naked all the time, so I hope. Okay. Wow. Wow. Smells just like out of the oven. The sugar is candied here with the butter. Wow. Wow. So let me set this down for a second. I'm trying to read what some of you guys are putting here. Sierra Martin, last night was fun. Yeah, it was fun. It wasn't easy though, because I had to fight through like bad people. They don't like it, and so. But it was fun. Christopher, oh Lord, I mix cinnamon with a little sugar. Phyllis, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the conclusion of the potato. I'm going to add a little more brown sugar. A sprinkle. And what we can do is give it a taste. I actually have the camera turned the other direction, so I cannot see you guys right now. This buttery goodness. Delicious. I actually want to add a little salt. This is the coarse salt. I hope you guys enjoyed the show, and I gotta get started on part 2. So to go with this sweet potato tonight, we're going to have this steak has been marinating. Again, my YouTube channel is under construction. If you subscribe now, I will appreciate it. I will remember you. So I'm going to wrap the potato up. I'm going to cover it. Start on the steak. Have a good night.